Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ports and cable quality. This avoids bottlenecks later. Plug both monitors into power, then connect one monitor to the primary video output and the second to the next available port. Once done, power on the PC and monitors in that order so the system detects displays reliably. If using a docking station or adapter, attach it now and make sure drivers are up to date. This step prevents mode conflicts and ensures correct resolution negotiation. You now adjust the OS display settings so the setup behaves predictably. In display settings, select each monitor, choose the correct resolution and scale, and set orientation. Matching physical arrangement reduces cursor confusion. Once you pick extended desktop, drag the virtual monitors to mirror their real positions and assign the primary display for taskbar and apps. Make sure refresh rates match where possible. Mismatched rates can cause tearing. Finally, calibrate color and text scaling for consistent legibility across screens. You finish by organizing physical setup and verifying real-world use. Adjust monitor height, tilt, and spacing so your gaze moves naturally. Use stands or mounts to align tops. Test window snapping, move applications between screens, and set per app full-screen preferences. If one monitor fails to show, power cycle monitors and PC, swap cables to isolate the fault, and check GPU drivers. This simple sequence resolves most detection issues. If problems persist, try the GPU control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.